Hey, what's up? It's Ike Paz, and this is my word puzzles generator review. I'm going to go over exactly what this software does, what my custom bonuses are about. I'm going to go over the sales page. I'm going to go over everything, explain everything in great detail, give you a demonstration, and explain exactly why this is a really powerful piece of software that's going to help you cut time in half and put out KDP books that you can sell passively on the Amazon network or on your own site or on Etsy as printables. I'll talk more about that in a little bit. First thing I want to do is talk about the sales page right here, and it's it's right on the money. There's no hype here. This is a very accurate headline, and I can attest to this. I also sell on Amazon's KDP network, and this is right. A smart 2-in-1 cloud-based app helps you create a full-time passive income publishing puzzle books on Amazon KDP. I'll take it one step further, and I'm going to tell you right now, it's going to help you earn on Etsy as well, or on your own e-com site selling these as printables. That's another big part of my online business. If you've watched any of my YouTube channel, then you know what I'm talking about. Okay, anyways, so now that we understand this is an accurate headline and I completely vouch for it, I'm going to talk about quickly my custom bonuses, okay? If you want to get word puzzles generator plus my custom bonuses, and I have 2 launch period only bonuses along with several other bonuses, custom bonuses. If you want to claim both word puzzles generator plus my bonuses, you want to check out this page here and click on any of these links and get word puzzle generator via this page. Okay, now I want to jump into the actual software itself. You get the crossword puzzles and the cryptogram puzzles right off the bat. Okay, so you get that. It's included in the front end, and with this you can create all sorts of really cool activity books for the Amazon KDP network or on your site as printables. If you get the pro plan, I believe that's OTO number 1, you get double puzzle, scramble, and the missing vowel. I'm going to give you examples of everything, so don't worry. Okay. But on top of that, you also get training, and the training is very straightforward. It teaches you exactly how to use the software. Basically, it's in a nutshell. My big gripe with this is they don't teach you how to make money with this. Okay, but don't worry, I cover that extensively in my bonuses. I give you my personal case study. I explain how I make money with Amazon KDP, and there's a ton I have to go over in a little bit. But first, I want to give you some demonstrations of the actual tool, of the actual cloud-based software in action. So if I click on Access Now for the crossword section, it's going to ask me to create a crossword. I'm going to click Create Crossword. I'm going to name anything I want. Happy. Click Create. Click View. And then it's going to ask me to upload a text. This is where you're going to upload text that will tell the machine to create a specific type of puzzle. Let me give you an example. Okay, so here I have baby input. Okay, baby input. If I open this up, it's just a regular old boring old text file. It has the word sippy cup and a semicolon and then a space, and then it has a hint to help my end user discover what the word is, right? So drink container for small children. Answer, sippy cup, right? Same thing down the line. Stork, semicolon. Bird associated with birth, right? You understand. So I'm going to, I have this little input here. I'm going to add it in here. I believe the input is called baby. I'm also going to include some inputs, done for you inputs as my bonus package. Again, I'm really excited about this software. It's really user friendly, easy to do, and it cuts time in half. As you can see, my puzzle has been created, and it creates the blocks, and the crossword completely creates the design of it, and it has all of the hints across and down, and the next page you have the solution. Okay, really cool, but there's much more to this. Check this out. If I click this refresh button, it's going to change the puzzle around. the exact same questions, the exact same hints, the exact same vocabulary, but it changes the puzzle around. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Which is really cool. And of course, the solution section is going to adapt to it accordingly. So this here is what's called the local setting. Now, let me explain. The local setting here just enables you to edit the page, that particular page you're on. And if you go to the far right here, this is a global setting. This enables you to edit the entire book, okay? The entire complete book, which is really cool, okay? So you can see this is a very powerful tool. I just created a scramble page, a scramble puzzle in seconds, okay? And this, again, I don't have to tell you, this is something you can do, something you can use to profit online passively on the Amazon KDP network, the biggest e-com market in the world, or off of your own site using Pinterest and WooCommerce. This is what I do as well, which I'm going to talk about and show you within my bonuses. Okay, now let me go back here. I'm going to give you another example with the Pro version. If I go to Scramble and I click Access Now, the same exact thing. Create Scramble. Let's call this Hello. Why not? Create. Click View. Upload select the text, and let's put in Scramble. Again, regular old inputs, nothing difficult to do. I'm gonna add it in there, and it scrambles my words, pumpkin, for example, and you can see here the answer key. Okay, pumpkin, bat, and these are Halloween related terms, right? Really cool stuff. Really simple to use. Okay, and again, if I click this refresh button, it's going to change the words, the scramble order around, right? Okay, if I click this gear button here, I can change the font. This is for every puzzle, by the way. Everything's the same. The format is exactly the same. Okay, I can change the font size, the type, and this is the really cool section. I can change color. Okay, if I can put color into these different types of puzzles, I can sell them as printables, right? When you're selling on the KDP network, it's not advisable to sell anything with color in it because it's gonna decrease your royalty, giving you less income. Okay, but if you're selling off your own site or off of Etsy and just selling the digital product itself, then you can add color. Increase the value of things, which is a great way again to earn online. So you can adjust the color of every aspect of this puzzle and sell it as a printable. Okay, really cool stuff. That's about it. Again, this is straightforward. This is not teaching you how to make money online with KDP. I'm going to do that with my bonuses. My bonuses will teach you how to take this software and earn with it on the KDP platform or off of your own site or off of Etsy. That's what my bonuses are all about. Okay, and again, I urge you check out my website, check out my YouTube channel, see my other case studies, and you know that I'm legit. I do this full time. Okay, hope you like this demo. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I come out with tutorials and guides all the time, sharing tips and tricks, things that are working for me currently online to help me earn. I earn online with affiliate marketing, KDP, books, printables, and PODs, print on demand products as well. So check out my channel, check out my case studies, and don't forget to check out the information below to get a hold of Word Puzzle Generator before the launch period is over. Okay, be good, take care, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.